Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to be styling my sink for Easter. I feel like it needed a little spruce up after, I think the last one I did was Valentine's Day. So I'm just kind of cleaning up. After my birthday, I had this cake plate to clean up out of the sink and then put some dishes away. And then I just needed a deep clean of the sink altogether. So that's what I'm doing now. And after I have the sink all scrubbed out, I'm going to go ahead and spray down some disinfectant. And I leave that sit for about 15 minutes before I go ahead and wipe that down as well. And the countertop spray that I'm using right now out of that clear bottle is my marble concoction. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I show how to make that. It's super easy. So go watch that video if you want. If you have like marble or granite countertops, it's just a non-abrasive way to clean them off. So be sure to watch that. So I decided to switch up my little tray for my soaps, for the dish soap and hand soap. I'm going to use like a little cake plate stand. I believe I got it from the dollar spot at Target, if I'm not mistaken. They typically always have them there, especially around spring and summertime. So I'm just putting this cake plate away and then cleaning off the counter before I style the rest. And before I decided to film this today, I'm usually film like the day prior, but for some reason I just wasn't feeling up to it yesterday. But my dad and stepmom actually sent me these beautiful bouquet of birthday flowers. So I was just super excited for that because it was like just in time for this video. So thank you guys for sending me those. They're absolutely stunning.
Change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me.
And as you can see, like I just have to play around with stuff to see what looks best. I kind of do it a few times just to get it right and to see what will work out. So don't get frustrated when you're styling a space. It just takes a little practice and then just some shuffling around until you feel like it looks right. So don't get frustrated, and absolutely love having a candle by the sink. I think it's just sets the ambiance. This one is from Hazel Candle Company. It's the gardenia and citrus scent, so perfect for springtime. I have a little bunny rabbit, a little egg. I think those are both from Hobby Lobby. I've had them for years. I have a little soap dish that's in the shape of an Easter egg that I put the sponge in. And of course these beautiful flowers just brighten my day. So thank you guys so much for flying by. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe over to my YouTube channel. I'll have this video up there as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.